What is going on, my friends, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. Now, in today's video, I want to take a quick few minutes and go over something I'm seeing from Solana because I do think it's actually very bullish and I wanted to share it with you. And so with that said, let's get straight into the video. Now, guys, please don't forget, if you do want to use the Margex link down below, they just announced a $500,000 Casper airdrop for its high volume users. Now, in order to trade on Margex, you don't need to KYC, meaning you don't need to give them any of your personal information, and you don't need a VPN. Anyone can just sign up and start trading on up to 100x leverage for multiple pairs: Bitcoin, Solana, Jasmy, Casper, Render, many more. So make sure that you do go check out the Margex link in the description below. And by the way, you're going to get up to $10,000 in bonuses when you do sign up and start trading, as well as that $500,000 Casper airdrop. So go do that down below, especially in times like this. That can come in handy. Now, looking at Solana, okay, what can we see going on? Well, as many of you know, we have been tracking the fact that Solana is currently building a foundation of support on top of this macro 618 to 786 Fibonacci zone. I have said rather consistently that if Solana's price is capable of maintaining support here, there's a very strong chance that not only will it clear 250, but it's more likely that it hits somewhere between $350 to $400 off of that move if this market does give us a beautiful altcoin season. And what we can see here right now is that as Solana's price has been venturing back towards this level, it is holding up incredibly well. Now, before we talk about what I'm seeing on the weekly charts, I mean, you can even look to see what's happening on the 4 hours. On the 4 hour, as Solana's price is getting back down towards this level, it's starting to put in bullish structure, and you can see it playing out on multiple different areas. For example, if we do go out here, you're seeing that beautiful bullish divergence, hidden bullish divergence, which you're putting in these lower lows, you're putting in these higher lows, you're seeing that clear change in trend. And as this move is continuing lower and lower towards this 618 zone, we're seeing the bull stepping in, breaking up this trend, which is a good sign in my opinion. Now, that is a good, and obviously, from a more technical perspective, that is good. Obviously, you guys know we did start to see HG algo going off. We were getting these buy zones printing not only on the 4 hour but also on the daily charts. We saw the Bollinger Bands overextended to the downside. We lost them for a little bit and immediately recovered back onto them. I mean, there were all the signs in the world pointing to the fact that Solana could make this move, and it had a nice little 8% bounce to the upside. That's all great, fine, and dandy on the 4 hour charts, but what I'm seeing on the weekly charts is even better in my opinion. What I'm paying attention to here on the weekly charts is the fact that Solana is now starting to put in bullish divergence. What you can see here is that where Solana is at this given point is an equivalent low, if not a higher low. We have not reached this level, we're equal to this level, and we've not reached this level yet. Therefore, if you compare them, higher low, equivalent low, higher low, no lower lows here. But if you look at this weekly RSI, what you can actually see is that it's now put in a lower low. So in comparison to what we're seeing here, we are seeing lower lows, and that is called bullish divergence. Now, the reason this is so important is because oftentimes when you do see bullish divergence, it's an early indication, it's an early sign that this momentum to the downside is weakening. And oftentimes you usually are able to see support established when you see bullish divergence of this nature, which does typically allow the price to move upwards. And considering the fact that we are seeing this bullish divergence happening as Solana's price is building up a foundation on top of a massive zone of liquidity, that's a good sign to me that the zone is holding, and it's holding well, and that could put us in a spot in which Solana really could rally off of this zone at some given point, which further incentivizes me to want to purchase some Solana, and it does add to my bullish conviction. And so of course, because of that, I think this is fantastic news. And the craziest thing is that Solana, even from a fundamental perspective, is looking extremely good. I actually did a video a few days ago, it was actually this one about a week ago roughly, in which I talked about all of the really good things that we're seeing from Solana in terms of a fundamental perspective, from its TVL, aggregator volume, derivatives volume, all this other stuff. I did post that over on my second channel. Feel free to use the link down in the description below and go check out my second channel and go subscribe. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys. It's only been a month, so go check that out if you like. But overall, Solana's in a great spot. I am personally accumulating at this level, and even if we do start venturing into here, I don't think it'll last very long, so I'd be happy to dollar cost average somewhere below 120 bucks. And so of course I will continue to update you as Solana does play out, as these moves do play out. And if you have been enjoying the content, please do let me know easily and simply, not only by just liking this video, but comment down below. What's your favorite thing about Solana? What price are you buying in at? Are you selling? Are you holding? What's your game plan there? And don't forget, while you are down there, go check out that Margex link. You are going to get up to $10,000 in bonuses and access to a $500,000 airdrop without needing to KYC or use a VPN. It's a freaking win-win. Go check it out down there, and I'll see you all next time. Peace out, everybody.